all winter long I've been doing all the mortise and tenon and joinery work, creating all of the beams and posts and girts and rafters and trusses and everything we need. With everything laid out, it's time to start assembly. I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom corner braces into the vertical posts, and then we'll slide everything into the beam. Well, it started raining and I got a little caught up with what I was doing. I ultimately went and grabbed these long bar clamps. Some folks use a ratchet strap. I find that these are easier to use with the one-man operation. But the center joint here with the two corner braces is nice and square, so the top plate is 90 degrees to the post. Everything is snug together here, and the other two sides are really close enough that I'm going to drill and peg this. So with those four in, we're going to go ahead and loosen this up. I need to get the clamp out of the way. That one is pegged. We've hooked up the tractor. I don't have the height, basically the lift on the tractor that I would like, which is why we're rigged so close. But we're going to give it a whirl and see how it goes. Well, that went way better than I anticipated. It lifted up, no issues at all. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a ladder, move the tractor. That's okay. So this is the first cross beam. We have leaned the wall on the right side out, so we'll be able to hopefully raise this thing up, set it on top of those spacers up there, take the weight, get it unhooked, set the next one, and then we'll use the come along to pull the wall back together and pull the mortises into the tenons. So you saw me set this thing up here. What I'm doing now is getting it more aligned. The spacer block we're using to support is holding me out on top. However, the bottom edge is on top of the lip. So I'm going to drop this block down. This will set it down Then we'll use my clamp to pull this up into this pocket. It should all be good to go. That's what we wanted. We needed that corner brace in its pocket.
Great success. Great job. You're doing great things. Who's not happy with that?
Well, this is going to wrap up the raising of the timber frame. You see me putting up the last wall here. This wall on the outside is kind of where the awning will be at, ultimately where the tractor will end up being stored. And then the area where the concrete is the actual timber frame garden shed. Overall, it's coming out really well. I'm really pleased with it. It's taken me significantly longer than anticipated. However, it's a nice process and it's fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got a lot out of this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.